Shadow's display of giving and wanting to receive love takes on various love language forms. And not only that, Shadow developed a unique style for giving and wanting to receive love from each one of us that's tailored towards us as individuals. We won the jackpot when we picked Shadow for our fur baby. And as y'all watch this video, I'm certain you all will see why. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life. Most handsome man I'd ever seen, I said you must be the love of my life. Hold on now. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy.
I truly appreciate each and every one of you for your support and kindness toward watching our videos. And please, don't forget to press the notification bell 2 times. Then select all, so you'll get notified whenever we put up a new video. Bye!
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel